Hello kids, and today we're gonna play the farm animals puzzle game, and we're gonna search for the puzzle pieces, and we're gonna also learn about the farm animals. Let's start. And here comes the elephant, and he has the first puzzle piece. Should we turn around the first puzzle piece? Yes, let's do. And we have the part of the pig and also the part of the goose. Wow, great. Thank you, elephant. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Yeah, we found the first puzzle piece and we place it on this board. Great. Well done. And here we have 3 different cubes. And let's look at the first cube. Who is that? It's a dog. It's a white dog. Let's look at the second cube. Who is that? It's a giraffe. Let's look at the third cube. Who is that? It's a rabbit. Great. And one of these cubes has our puzzle piece. Should we open the first cube? Should we do it? Let's do. Let's open. Can you hear? There is something inside of the cube. Oh, look. It's a donkey. And donkey has big ears. Great. But this cube does not have any puzzle piece that we need. Let's try our second cube with a giraffe. You hear? There is someone in the cube. Let's open. Oh, it's a pig. Look how smiley pig is. And the pig has really short neck. Great. No, there is no any puzzle piece. Let's open the last one. Can you hear? Can you hear? It's a rabbit. Can you hear? There is no rabbit, but there is our puzzle piece that we can place on the board. Here. Great. And we have a chicken and a chick. So it's a baby chicken and it's called chick. Great. We found our second puzzle on this puzzle board. Let's continue to search for the third puzzle. Here comes the giraffe. Look how big the giraffe is. And giraffe came with a puzzle. And look, giraffe has a really long neck. Great. Let's turn around the puzzle. Should we do it? Let's do it. Look, and we have third puzzle piece. And here we have a mouse in a barn and the goose on a pig. We just found our 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. Great. Well done. Excellent job. And we have 3 cubes. And we have first cube, second cube, and the third cube. And this is the biggest cube. And this is the small cube, and this is the smallest cube. Look. And we have, for the first cube, a lion. And this cube has something. Look, it's a small rabbit. Look how small it is. And rabbit has really long ears. Great. Let's see. But there is no any puzzle that we need to find for the board. Let's try second. And look, we also have an elephant on this cube. This is a really big elephant. Let's see what this cube has. Oh, there is a dog. Look how dog is funny. And dog is a best friend of human, of us. But let's see if there is any puzzle. No, there is no any puzzle. And we have a last one. And here we have a huge cube. And it has the cow on a cube. Let's try. Oh, there is a lot of things there. Let's open. Wow. there is a big egg. And how big it is and how wide it is. Should we open the big egg? Let's do it. Oh, wow. There is some balls in this egg. Let's see. There is an orange ball. There is the orange ball number 2. And there is the small ball number 3 with the stars. Let's see. But there is no any puzzles. Let's see the other piece of the egg. Oh, there is 2 puzzles. Wow. There is not one puzzle, but there is 2 puzzles that we found. Let's see which puzzle it is. So we have 2 puzzles. Let's open this one. Should we say, oh, it's a part of the cow and the eyes of the cow. And we can place it here. Great. Amazing. Let's open the second puzzle. And we have, oh, we completely found the pig and the cow. We have a pig and the part of the cow. So we already found 5 puzzle pieces. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. We almost finished our puzzle, but we still need to find other 4 puzzles. Let's find them. And here comes the lion. And look, lion has the puzzle piece. Great. And let's see what this puzzle piece is. Let's turn around, should we? Let's do it. Oh, it's a part of the cow. Let's place it on the board. Here. Great. We found the biggest part of the cow. And we need to continue to find other parts. So we left with 3 parts. And we already found 6 puzzle pieces. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We already found the chicken and the chick. We already found pig and a goose. And we found the mouse. And we found the barn, the red one barn, where the mouse is sitting. And we need to find the cow, tractor, trolley, and a fence. Let's continue. And here we have 4 colorful cups. And one of these cups has our puzzle for the board. Let's start. With which one we should start? Let's start with this one. There is something. Can you hear? There is something there. Let's hope. Oh, it's a number 2. Red color. Look how big the number is. But there is no any puzzle inside. Let's continue our search. Let's try this one. Can you hear? There is something. Oh, it's a number 3. Yellow color. But there is no any puzzle inside. We have 2 cups left. Which one should we pick? This one or this one? What do you think? Let's pick this one. Can you hear? There is something again. Oh, it's a number 1. And it's also red color. Wow, how huge and big the number is. Look, but there is no any puzzle piece. And we left with our last cup. Let's open this cup. Should we open? Let's do. Oh, there is our puzzle piece. Great, we found our puzzle piece. Let's turn around and see what we have there. Oh, it's a trolley full of chicken food. Let's place it on a board. We should place it here. Great. we found our puzzle piece, and we left with 2 puzzle pieces that we need to find. Let's continue. You are doing great. And we have 3 different cars. And one of these cars has our puzzle piece for the board. Let's find it. This is the police car, and it's blue color, and it has number 4. Let's see if this car has our puzzle piece. No, there is no any puzzle piece. Let's try school bus, and school bus is yellow color, and it's number 2. Let's see if school bus has our puzzle piece. There is no any puzzle piece, and we left with a fire truck, and fire truck is helping with fire, and it's number 1, and it's red color. Let's see if fire truck has our puzzle piece. Yay! There is our puzzle piece, and it is tractor and a part of the cow, and you can see the cow has a horn. Okay, great. Let's place it on a board. Where should we place it? Can you see? It's matching together. Let's place it here. Great! We found our piece, and we need to find our last piece. Great! Let's continue. Perfect! And here it's coming excavator. Look, an excavator has our puzzle piece, and this is the last puzzle piece. And the excavator is yellow color, and wheels are blue color and white color. Great. Here it comes. Here it comes with our puzzle piece. Great. Look, this is our last puzzle piece for the puzzle board. Let's take and let's turn around. Let's turn around like this. Does it go? No, let's turn around again like this. No, it doesn't go. Let's turn around like this. Yes, it goes inside the puzzle board. And this is the white fence. Great. Thank you, excavator. Thank you. We found our own puzzle pieces. We found the mouse. We found the tractor. We found the cow. We found the pig. We found the goose. We found the barn, the red barn. We found the chicken, trolley full of the food for the chicken and the chick. And we found the white fence. Great. And let's count together how many pieces there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is 9 puzzle pieces on the board, and we found all of them. Amazing. You're doing well. Great job.
Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.